We're in the WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to show you how to add a link to an image in WordPress using only the built-in editor. From the left-hand menu, click Pages, then All Pages. If you're adding to a post, click Posts and All Posts instead. I'm using a page, so I'll click the page title. The editor opens with the page content on screen. Green. Click the plus button in the top left area of the editor to add a new block. Type image into the search bar, and the image block shows up beneath it. Click the image block and it drops into the page. The block starts empty, so click the Media Library button in the middle of the placeholder. Choose an image you already uploaded, then click the Select button at the bottom right of the media window. The image appears in the block. If you need to upload a new image instead, the Upload button in this same window lets you grab a file from your computer. Now click directly on the image. The block toolbar appears above it, and the link icon is the small chain link in that toolbar. If you click the caption or the empty space around the image, the toolbar may not show, so click the image itself. Click the link icon. A link field pops up over the toolbar. Start typing the name of the page you want the image to open. WordPress immediately shows matching pages and posts below the field. I'm going to pick the contact page, and WordPress fills in the link automatically. This is faster than pasting a URL because WordPress builds the correct address for you. Click somewhere outside the image, and the link field closes. The image is now linked to an internal page. If you need this image to open an external website instead, click the image again and reopen the link icon. The current internal link is highlighted. Paste the full external address right over it. Make sure you paste the complete web address, not just the domain, or the link can break. I'll paste one now, then press enter. The old internal link is replaced with the external address. Now click the image again and click the link icon one more time. Under the field, you'll see the Open in New tab toggle. Flip that on. I always turn this on for external links because it keeps your page open in the original tab while the external site opens separately. Click the Update button in the top right corner of the editor. The page saves and shows a confirmation. Now click View Page in the top toolbar. The Publish page opens. Move the mouse over the image. The cursor changes to a hand, and the link destination appears in the browser's bottom left corner. Click the image, and the external website opens in a new tab. Go back to the Editor tab. I want to show you how to remove that link without replacing the image. Click the image, then click the link icon. The current address is already selected inside the field. To remove the link completely, click the Remove Link option. I'll click it now, then click Update. The image stays on the page, but the link no longer shows a destination. Let's add a different kind of link. Click the image, then open the block settings on the right-hand side. Scroll to the Link To setting and choose Media File. Now clicking the image on the live page will open the full-size uploaded version. That's the one I use for portfolio images and diagrams where the detail gets lost at normal size. Click Update to save. If the image was already on your page, you don't need to delete and re-upload it. Click the existing image, click the link icon, type or paste the destination, then press enter. I'm going to do that on this same image one last time, using an internal page. Click outside the image, then click Update. The link is applied. Before you leave it, test the published version. Click View Page, then click the image, confirm it goes to the right place. If it's an external link, check that the new tab opens. Don't rely only on the editor preview because the toolbar link can look right while the published page still needs an update. Resize the browser window down and click the image again to make sure it is not too close to another link on mobile. If you found this helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people who need the same fix.